Though lemon juice works wonders in speeding hair growth, it can also dry out your hair pretty easily. So, the best way to use it is with natural humectants like honey and olive oil that can help retain the moisture in your hair. How to make hair mask at home for hair growth with lemon juice, honey, and olive oil. First of all, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of honey in a bowl until they are thoroughly combined. Now, apply the mask throughout the length of your hair and massage it onto your scalp. Then, put on a shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes. In the end, wash it off with a mild shampoo. Honey moisturizes dry hair and scalp, reduces hair breakage, restores shine, improves condition of natural hair, reduces frizz, and softens hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.